Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn about a very important topic in French, which is what pronoun tonic. So, what do you mean by pronouns? Pronouns means something which replaces the noun in the sentence. So, pronoun tonic is one category of pronouns in French. They correspond to the emphatic and disjunctive pronouns in English. In English, there are pronouns which are used to give emphasis on certain word in the sentence. In French, these pronouns are known as pronoun tonic. So first we'll look at the table. Which are the pronoun tonic? So je means I, but moi means me. This is the difference. Je means I, moi means me. Same. Tu, you, toi means you. Il means he. Lui means him. Elle means she. And here, pronotonic elle means her. Nous and vous remain the same. Nous here means we in the normal pronunciation. In pronotonic, nous means us. Vous here means you. In pronotonic also, vous means you. Il here means they, but EUX, means them. L means they, here L means them. This is the minute difference in the meanings. But in usage, there is total difference. We'll go on to it later. Repeat after me. Je in pronotonic becomes moi. Tu, toi. Il, lui. Elle, elle. Nous, nous. Vous. Il, elle, elle. Now I'm repeating just the pronoun tonics with its meaning. Note down. Okay. Moi, me. Toi, you. Lui, him, elle, her. Nous, us, vous, you. Il becomes a. A means them. Elle means them. Moi, me, toi, you. Lui, him, elle, her. Nous, us, vous, you. A, them, elle, them. These are the pronouns with their meanings and pronunciations. Now moving on to the usage part. There are three uses given of pronotonic. Pronotonic is used in the following situations. First use is what? Before subject pronouns for emphasis, for stressing on certain part, for giving emphasis, giving importance to some word in the sentence. For example, moi, j'adore la campagne. Someone might have said, I like the city, but I'm giving emphasis. Me, I like the countryside. So, me, I like the countryside. I am emphasizing on myself. So, there is already given je, no? I can say I like the countryside. But for giving emphasis, I am adding moi. Moi, j'adore la campagne. Me, I like the countryside. Okay, that is for giving emphasis. This was the first use. Second use is after the phrases say and ce sont. Say means this is, ce sont means these are. So this is I, that cannot be said, right? But this is me, this is him, these are them. That is fine. So after the phrases say and ce sont, we use pronoun tonic. For example, c'est toi qui habites à Londres. Is it you who lives in London? C'est toi. It is you who lives in London? Question mark. Okay. After say, we use pronoun tonic. First use was what? Before the subject pronouns for emphasis. Me, I like the countryside. So that is emphasis. Second use is what? After the phrases say and ce sont, which is what? C'est toi qui habite à Londres. Is it you who lives in London? C'est toi qui habites à Londres. And the last use is in one word question, in one word response to a question. In one word response to a question. So it can be Qui est le leader du groupe? Who is the leader of the group? Louis, him. We do not say he. No, it is him. Qui est le leader du groupe? So if you want to answer in one word to some question, and that time you are going to use pronoun tonic. I hope the uses are clear. Repeat after me. Try to learn these uses because there are pronoun personnel. So pronoun personnel are of 6 types in 12th standard. Okay. Here you have fun type out of it till this lesson, which is only pronotonic, but there you'll have to fill in any one out of the six. So try to learn these uses as well. First use is what? Before subject pronouns for emphasis. Okay. Next use is what? After the phrases say and so. And the last use is what? In one word response to a question. Try to memorize the example, sample example for every use. First use was what? Mua Shador la combined. Me, I like the countryside. This is what? Emphasis. Second example was what? Say, tua ki abita Londres. Is it you who lives in London? After the expressions say and so. And last one is what? Ki a leader du group. Who is the leader of the group? Louis, him. So one word answer to some question. I'm keeping this video crisp. Do watch this video once again, then and then only the topic will be clear to you. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Here is one exercise for your practice. Okay, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning.